All right, guys, good evening. How are you all? Hope you are doing good, fantastic, and welcome once again in the week 3 of our live class. Have you already liked and subscribed? If not, please do that. Also, share the video in your network. Let it reach more people so that everyone who wants to learn Meta ads and Google ads can finally reach you. And we are about to start. Good evening to you all. Make sure you subscribe to the channel before we start. How is everybody? Just put in the comments. Yeah, Manojita, weekend is like I was recording the course on Saturday, so not exactly the kind of enjoyment, but yeah, I enjoy recording the course also, so you can say it was good. How is everyone? How was your weekend, guys? Can you quickly pick up the video, share it on your social medias so that we can get maximum people benefiting from this live? How many of you are coming here for the first time today? Just quickly, let us discuss that. Good evening, Suruchi. Good evening, Manojita. Good evening, Tony. Tony, you were missing for 2 days. You came back after 2, 3 days, right? Everything is okay with you? So, those who need to mark the attendance, please use this link. Just use this link to mark your attendance. Okay, so those of you who joined for the first time today, I just want to make sure that you are part of the community. If you are not part of the community, then just look at the description of this video and everything will be like you will be able to understand. Just join the community so that you can get access to the entire courses. And also, if you want to get certified after completing the course, the certificate will be delivered through community only. So join it before it reaches the number 1000. and also mark your attendance for your continuous presence in the community. So if you keep coming to the live classes, you'll have access to the free access to the community. If you miss the classes, then maybe you will have some trouble. So no problem, Tony. Hope you are better now. Thank you so much for coming back. Good evening to you all. Let's get started now. We have, so this week is critical, and because so many people are coming here for the first time, and there are so many new faces, there are people who have never looked at meta ads first. So I'll start with a slow process. Today we'll have an overview of the meta ad account, how it looks like, what is the structure of the entire ad account, and how, what are the different assets that it has, how do you connect those things together. So this will be a basic overview class. Then tomorrow we'll discuss on how to build the structure of meta ads so that you get the best performance. And then on Wednesday we'll build a campaign live. We will create the entire campaign live in front of you. And then Thursday and Friday we'll focus on different types of campaign, what kind of optimizations you should do, what are the levers that you have in your hands when it comes to optimizing. Then finally we'll understand the reporting part. So we'll try to cover the entire meta ads in this week. If we are not able to do that, maybe some part of it we'll take to the next week also, but I will try and complete everything. So this is more of an introduction to how meta ad account looks like. So I'll take you through step by step. Let's get started. I'm sharing my screen. Those of you are joining for the first time, just look at the access link in the community in YouTube description of this video, so that you can get access to the all the video and courses that we have already done, because we started on 14th July. So there is some part of content that is already covered. If you want to do that, repeat that, and also get certified, then my suggestion would be that you join the community, and you will get access to the courses accordingly. So not every course will be available immediately, but you'll start keep getting access as and when new courses are live. All right. So to access the meta ad account, so this normal Facebook profile, right? This is the Facebook profile. This is how it looks like. Then you have something called pages. So all your pages will be here. So this is one of my page, company page. This is how the page would look like. So this is the basic thing here. Now you can use this to get meta verified. So meta verified is the green tick that you get on meta. So this is where you get meta verified. I don't want to cover how to create a Facebook page. I'm sure many of you already know it. If you don't know it, then just Google it. So we'll not go through that. Lead center is basically where all your leads, so whatever leads you have generated online through Facebook's on form. Facebook has a form type of campaign also. We'll discuss that. So all the lead that you have generated from meta ads completed the form. You will see the access here. So we have generated somewhere around maybe 880 leads for this particular campaign. Uh, so all the leads will be here. So lead center is for all the leads. Inbox is where you can access all the messages. So you can send a message to page also, right? You can comment on Facebook, you can comment on Instagram, you can also connect your WhatsApp business account here. And Messenger, all the messages that come through Facebook Messenger, Instagram Messenger, all of them will be available here. So you will be able to see, some of you already sent those messages, right? uh, After filling up the form, this is the message you send and we reply automatically. So this is an automated message that goes to all of you after this form is filled up. Similarly, Facebook comments, so anybody comment on the like Facebook ad account, they will see something like this. So all the comment you can reply from one place. So this is a centralized place where all the assets are connected. And to reach here, what we have done is we have just gone to the page, and once you go to the page you will see these options. And for that, see the URL here, it's business.facebook.com. So you can open this also, or you can go to your Facebook profile, let me go back so that you are clear. You can go to your Facebook profile and then click on Ad Center. It will take you to this page. On if you click on the page, this will bring you here only. Now, do you see something called Ads Manager here? How many of you can see my screen clearly? Do you see Ads Manager here? So it has something called Accounts Overview. Then you have Campaigns, Audience, Billing, Payment, and Ad Reporting. So this is the section where you have to create the ad accounts and everything. Other way of reaching this is you can just simply type business.facebook.com and it will bring you to the ad account only. So all the marketers who are already like kind of an expert, they might open this link directly. If you're coming here for the first time, if you don't know about it, then maybe you go on your page, you go on your Facebook normal account, then click on page. That will automatically take you to the business manager account. So clicking this, it will take you to here. You can also like click here ads manager, and here also it will take you to the same business.facebook.com. Like from ads manager you can go in the business manager account. So ideally you should be using this business manager from here, and within business manager you have something called ad account, right? Campaigns, audiences, billing. So this is where you come. So ad manager, click on account overview, and this will take you to the default account that is already selected. So this is where you first land. Are you guys able to follow me? uh, are you guys able to follow me? Because I see no comments, anything on the chat. Are you able to understand? I'm looking at the chat. Are you able to understand? Now let me go to settings. First, let's understand the business settings tab. So what I did for going to the business setting is I just went here, business.facebook.com. And if you see here, you'll see something where you have all the different business managers account. So it may have multiple business manager account based on the like number of accounts you are managing as an agency. If you only have your own account, then you will have only one. Maybe as if you are a big agency or a freelancer, you will have load of accounts. So all of account will be here. So if you want to go to a different account, you just need to select a different account from here. I just don't want to show all the accounts, so that's why I zoomed in so much. Now here, if you are, let's say, in a particular account, then you can go to settings. So settings is the first tab you should access, and here some critical settings you need to do. So like in every business account, you will, like, you can either invite yourself to a client's account. So let's say you want to start as a meta ads freelancer. Your client will have their own page, they will have the ads manager, they will also have the Instagram account, pixel. Facebook pixel is also something that will learn how to add Facebook pixel and how to create different events. Maybe in a day 4 or 5 we'll learn that part. Here you will get access. So there are two ways you can get access. One is you can invite people. So just click on invite. Here you have to add your email id. So email id that you're using on Facebook, if you use that email id here, it will be more convenient. You can use a different id also, but then you'll have to connect. So use the email id from which you have created the Facebook account, and then you will assign access. You will have business access, review, invitation, and then finally you can invite. So I'll show you how to like different sections. Let me quickly add an email id here so that we can take the next steps. In the next step, you will have access to, like, you want to give full control, you want to give partial control, you can use that here. So for now, let's just give access to everything. Then you take next step. Here you can select what are the different accounts. So if you zoom in, you will have Facebook pages. So Facebook page that are part of this particular business manager account, you will have all of them listed here. So do you want to give access to a particular Facebook page or all of them? You can select accordingly. Do you want to give ad account access, all of them, or just one? You can select accordingly. Catalogs are basically if you are running an insta like e-commerce ad, you will have an option to import your catalog from your website. If you're running a website on Shopify or WooCommerce, you can import your entire catalog here. Are you guys able to follow me? Next part is apps. So apps you can ignore for now. If there is something related to apps we need to discuss, we can discuss in next classes. Similarly, pixels is something, just understand that this is a code that you have to place on your website so that you can track the conversion, people who are going on a website, what kind of action you are taking. Just for now, just understand this. We'll discuss that in detail later. Similarly, Instagram account. So you will have Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, or even Thread also. All of this the property of Meta, right? So all of that is connected through one central account, and this is where you create all your ad and everything. So you can also connect your Instagram account here. So right now we are in the access tab. We are trying to give access to this, and this is how you give access. So you can also give access to the WhatsApp business account from here. They will be able to send messages through Facebook if you give them access, or they may be able to change the content of what is going in the message if you give access here. So Instagram account, Facebook account, catalog, ad account, pixel. So these are some of the properties that you need to get access from your client if you want to run the ad. So this is, all of this will become clear in next few classes, but right now just understand. So one way of getting access is through the people tab. So there are two tabs here. I'll just close this. I don't want to give access. So just close this. Here there are two tabs. One is the people tab. So I click on invite people. So these are some of the people that have access to my ad account, this particular ad account. Then there's something called partners also. So partners are basically nothing but your partner agency. So there are two kind of accesses. One is people access, where you as an individual get access to this ad account. Now let's say you are running your own agency, and in your agency there are multiple people. So for my team, there are people like Aman, Atul, Subo, Naveen. So these are all my team members. So if I get a partner access to any ad account that is coming from other business or other client, then I can give access to my team. If I get a people access only, then I will get access. So that is the difference. So if you are a freelancer running your own agency, you can just get people access, and that would be enough for you. But if you have multiple team members, then go to partners, and you will have a unique partner ID. So every partner will have a unique ID. So this is like, you have access, right? So this is a unique partner ID. So you can share this partner ID with your client, and they will be able to use the partner ID and give you access. So this is how you get access to an ad account. Then all the pages, I already talked about pages. All the pages that are part of this ad account will be accessible from here, right? Then you have business asset groups. Just ignore for now. We'll discuss that if required. Instagram account, WhatsApp account, we already discussed. Data sources are basically pixel and offline event set. So offline event is more for the B2B businesses. There are certain offline events that they need to track in order to improve the lead quality. If we get time, we'll discuss that also. Custom conversion is a special conversion event that you can set up. So this we will discuss when we go to the pixel part. We'll discuss how to set up custom event, what kind of offline events you can track. Now there's something called shared audience. So basically what happens is, I've shown you there are so many business accounts, right? So there might be some audience which are common across different ad accounts. So I can add them to shared library, and if I add them to shared library, then all the ad accounts within that business manager will have access to those audience. So if you want to have a common list, let's say you are managing 2 3 e-commerce account, and more or less they have a similar target audience, or there are some audience which are common. So you can create a shared audience library that will be access for everyone. Business creative folder is basically business logo and other important asset that you want to keep track of. It will be part of here. Now there's something critical here that you need to understand. It's called requests. So basically requests are type of access request that you get from other people, and to maintain the security and like reduce the spamming and scamming, Meta has some rules applied here. So if you are a business manager, and if there is other person also a business manager, then there may be some requests that need to be approved by two people, so they have some security arrangement in place. So all the requests that you are sending, all the requests that are coming to your account for access, they'll come here. So you can see all the requests that came in past. Just click on other requests and frequently used requests. You will see all the requests that has been sent, received, invite, and access review. All of them will be available here once you click here. Then brand safety is something that is not important right now. We'll discuss that when we start creating the ad. So this is where you add the domains and everything. Now billing and payments, you can start with as low as 100 rupees, and you can go up as you wish to go. This is where you add the payment method. You can add the payments here, add funds, you can add more funds here. This will help you like run your ad account. So there are 2 3 methods through which you can make payment. You can add a prepaid card, like you can add card and Meta will charge you on card, or you can add money upfront. So if you're using UPI, if you don't have a credit card, then you can maybe recharge this just like you recharge your Airtel WhatsApp number or any number. You can simply add some money here and that will be used as the process go by. So payment method, all the payment line, everything. And this is where you will get all your reports related to payment also. So this is the tab for payment. Now billing and payment, this is all for billing and payment, nothing specific. But if you have the GST number and everything, make sure you mention that as part of your account setup process, because this is where you will get access to the GST detail, and everything will be added from here. Now we have covered the settings part. Any question on the setting? Any question? I'm not seeing much interaction happening in the chat. Any question you have before I move ahead and start talking about the ad manager? Anything you want to know? Anything you want to discuss? If not, then maybe we'll move to the next section. I'm waiting for some questions if you have. I'm waiting for any questions if you have one. So if your simple rule is, if you're not able to find any settings, you just need to click on these 3 dots inside the account and you will get access to the full menu here. Everything you need to know will be available here: invoices, instant forms, your business settings, billing and payments, ad account, ad limit, ads manager. So all of this will be available in this. So all you need to do is click on these 3 dots and this is where you will reach. So in case you feel lost, then remember this simple rule: select the right business manager account from this drop down. So there might be a lot of business manager account for you. Select the one that you want to work on, then click on these 3 dots. You will have access to the full menu. So you will get access to everything and this is where you can navigate from. So it's easy to navigate. Any questions so far? Great. So people are saying everything going good. Now there is 3 things you see. I uh, let me zoom in if I can. You see there are 3 things here. One is campaign. So Meta ad account has 3 layer of structure. First you set up a campaign. So first part of your process is you set up a campaign. Now within the campaign you will have something called ad sets. So ad sets are basically nothing but your set of number of ads, like different ad groups. So you are targeting specific audience, you can set that here, and within that you will have ads. So there are 3 layers here. You have campaigns. This is a dormant account that we stopped using, I'm showing you that. So in campaigns you will have the broader campaign level, so that's like umbrella. So within that you will have ad set. So campaign is like overall one campaign for your business. Now within that campaign there will be different audience. So you might, let's say you are running an ad for protein, you are selling protein bars online. You will have target audience, like you are targeting people who are in specific cities. There are campaigns specifically for metros. There are campaigns specifically designed for working professionals. So that all of that setting will come in the ad set. So in the campaign level there's just campaign, and within that campaign you will have the different ad sets. So within that campaign, let's say you want to target four different type of audience, you will set that here. In the third layer you will have the actual ads. So there, these are the three layers. You start by setting the campaign, then you go through the ad sets where you set up ad for different audience groups, and then finally in the ads you create ads specifically for, so you can, you maybe have a one campaign, duplicate it in all three ad sets or five ad set, whatever you have, and then change specific settings. Like you want to change the caption, you want to change the call to action. So that's kind of an A B testing process where you can test what is working, what is not working. So this is how you need to actually set this up. We will understand how to set up from campaign to ad set to audience. This is the structure I'm talking about. This we will discuss in detail. Now there are a few more things here. uh, if right now we are within the ads manager, so we are within the ads manager, just remember that. If you are again lost, just copy this URL called adsmanager.facebook.com and then select the right ad account. You will finally land here. Okay. Now there are some tabs where you need to check whether it's called reporting and other things. It's loading, the screen is loading. So you can create the report from here. That report you can send to your client. In the report you can add different settings. So you can add whatever breakdown you want to give, you can add it from the right. Just look at the right hand side of the panel. You will see there are options like campaign name, age, gender, country, region. So if you want to add specific data in your table, you will be able to add it from here. Similarly, audiences, you want to define different audience, right? This is where the audience definition happens. So when you're building the structure of the campaign, you will build the audience here, then you will build the campaign, and then you will have them in different ad sets. So first create the audience, then go to ad set and add different audience in a different campaign structure. Then advertising settings, just wait for it to load, then I'll show you how it is. It is basically you want to add some value rule, you want to do some advantage plus creative. So these are different settings that you want to assign, and also some common templates you can set up. You can also declare who is the beneficiary. Data set and pixel is also can be accessed from here. So these are some basic settings here. Events manager is basically the custom events that you have created for your business account, that can be accessed from here. So all the connected data services that you access from this tab, all the data that is coming from your website to Facebook will be accessible from here. We'll also talk about the pixel manager, that's the plugin that Meta gives. So this is just an overview. If you have any specific question anywhere, just ask me now. Yes, we'll tomorrow we'll discuss money given to Meta. Yes, Anshita, money given to Meta is shown here. Manojita, yes, we'll discuss the campaign setup live tomorrow. We'll start by creating the actual structure tomorrow. And on Wednesday, we'll follow that structure to convert that into campaign. So if you really want to learn, then I would say the class that is happening tomorrow and day after will be critical for you. So do not miss the both the classes that is happening tomorrow and day after. Just make sure you attend. Reporting I have already discussed. Audience account overview I have already discussed. Now there are certain reports or metrics that is important for you. So in general there are three. One is called CPC, which is cost per click. Then we have something called CPA, cost per acquisition. So we'll talk about these reports also. We'll talk about what is relation between CPM and CPC, and then what is the relation between CPC and CPA, what should you focus, when should you optimize X versus Y, and why is it critical for you. This is something that we will discuss on Thursday. So I think that's all, more or less, for today. I have just given you an overview. If you're not able to follow me, then maybe you will have to watch this video again. We'll try to complete the like recorded course also in this week, so that you have access to recorded course as well. The other recorded course that we were recording on on copywriting and market research, that is almost complete. We have uploaded some modules, we are uploading other modules. Let me quickly walk you through that. Yeah, so some modules are already here, only one module is uploaded, but rest of the modules are ready to be uploaded. It will be uploaded in it, like maybe maximum by tomorrow, so you will have access to the full market research and copywriting course. All of you who have joined the community, make sure you access that and start learning from there. If you still don't have access to the communities, then join it now. And as I told you already, once it reaches 1000 people, we'll make it, convert this into a paid community. So if you're not joining for now, just do not ask for it for free later on. Any questions on the structure that we have discussed so far? Any questions, or it is going completely over your head? I'm waiting for your questions, then we'll close for today. Any questions, guys, or should we close? If you're not able to follow, my suggestion would be watch the entire video again. You will be able to understand broadly the structure, the campaign level settings, where you can add what. And if at all you want to practice it further, then my suggestion would be that you set up a business manager and an ad account. If you already have a page, connect that. If you do not have a page, then create a page for yourself. Create a page and Instagram profile you might be already having, convert that into a professional business manager professional account, or set up a new Insta if you don't want to use your personal account, or convert that into professional. Then set up everything and we can practice together. So add a small amount, maybe 100 rupees, 200 rupees in your ad account. Start creating campaign along with me. Follow the entire process. You will be able to have much more information. Ansita, if you can be specific, what you want me to summarize? More or less, I have given you an overview. If you want to watch the video again, watch the video again. That will help you clarify all your doubts. Any specific question if you have, I can answer now. I'll wait for 1 more minute if you have any questions. Otherwise, we'll close it for today. Tomorrow, we'll discuss the entire ad structure. We'll build a live ad structure tomorrow for one specific audience type and everything. Then on Wednesday, we'll build it live in the campaign. We'll set up everything. Thursday, we'll go through the reporting and everything. And Friday, it will be more on the optimization side, how to optimize your meta ad campaign. Pixels and everything we'll cover most probably today or tomorrow. Anything else anyone wants to discuss? This last 1 minute is for you. Okay, Arpita, we'll create an assignment for you. But more or less, the assignment is clear. This is what the assignment is. Set your own ad account. Yes, of course, meta ad is paid. It's not free. So obviously you will have to pay. But right now the purpose of this learning is that you want to become a meta ads expert, or somebody who can run meta ads for your clients. So in your case, if you're doing that and as a freelancer or as an agency partner, maybe you will your client will pay for the ads. You don't have to pay. They will pay you for running the ads also if you become that expert. But that's the future where you want to go. Right now we are just learning. This is the process. So obviously if you set up a test account also, you'll have to pay. Anything else, guys? Nope. Then let's close the class for today. Those who have joined, still not marked the attendance, please do that now. I'm sending the link again. The attendance link is there in the chat box. Make sure you mark your attendance before leaving so that you have the continued access to the community. And if you are still not part, then join it now. That's all. Any questions, or we can just close the call for today? Shreya, practicing it completely free might not be possible, but you can at least create the business manager account. You can set up the page, Instagram, you can connect. That much practice you can do without paying anything. But if you want to like build a campaign and maybe test it live, then obviously you'll have to pay. I mean, add your payment information in meta ads. That's where you, and based on how many ads you're running, you will be charged accordingly. So you can maybe add some small amount like 500 rupees. If you're not running ads, if you don't spend it, then maybe you can claim a refund later, but that's a long process. So if you really want to learn, then maybe spending a small amount is advisable. Anything else from anyone? I'm waiting for any questions, then we'll close. How many people actually liked the video? There are so many people here. Still, I see only few likes on the video. How many people have liked the video? Just make sure you like, make sure you share as much as you can. Only 17 like. There are 23 people right now. Only 17 likes in total. Just like the video, share it with your friends so that more people can join us. All right, guys. Thank you so much. Take care. Have a nice evening. Good night. And see you all tomorrow. Make sure you don't miss the class tomorrow, day after. Till Friday, you should be here so that we can complete the entire meta ads exercise. You go with learning. That's what I want all of you to go with learning. Okay. All right. Take care. Thank you so much. Good night. Tony, do you have any questions? Manojita, that we will discuss in the optimization phase. We'll have a special class on how to optimize your campaign. There we'll discuss what are the mistakes you should avoid and how you can avoid those mistakes. First, let's set up the account. Then we'll go to that part as well. Yes, yes, yes. It will be explaining everything. All right, guys. Good night. Sabak khair. Take care. See you tomorrow. Bye. Make sure you like the video. Take care. Bye. Good night. I'm ending this stream for now. See you all tomorrow.